Alright, hello everyone. So in this video we're going to dev containerize one of our applications here, that is this application. We want it to be put into a dev container, this one here. But first let's delete this. Okay, so we want this to be dev containerized, but it's under one repository, a mother repository. So one of the projects that is in this repository is this application here, which we want to be in a dev container. So let's try to add a dev add dev container configuration file, and we want to use the uh, universal Docker or something. Okay, and now we want to move this generated this files and folders. We want to move that here. Okay, so it's now moved. Let's close this Visual Studio and then let's go to this folder and then open that in Visual Studio Code, and this should prompt us to open and dev container, reopen and container. So we're gonna do that, and now it's going to start building the dev container. And while it's doing that, we are going to save and commit files. Dev container for AWS CF dev web, right? So and then get push. Alright, so we want to install not yet. Right, so is it already working? So let's try go to ZSH, then let's ng serve. There's no ng serve because we have not installed Angular. So we want to put the Dockerfile dot maybe just put a Dockerfile here, and then let us this Dockerfile here, we wanna copy this and put this here. Then instead of this one, just want to echo AWS CF dev web dev container, and then let's remove this and remove this, remove. Yeah, I think we need to remove this also. Okay, I think this is the only one that we need. And in here we're going to, we don't want this, but instead we wanted to build, and then Dockerfile. So we'll change the title here to AWS CF dev web dev container. And then let's, this should rebuild, it's not to rebuild this. Alright, so let's close that one. AWS, alright, so let's open this again, and it should ask us to open in a container. Yeah, reopen in container, and it's going to reopen in container. Oops, it's asking us to rebuild. Let's rebuild. I think it's going to rebuild with only using the node. And while it's doing that, we also need to add this services here, so that when we open this in new machine, we will have the environment set up already. Okay, so is it already running? Open. I'm not sure if this is already running. This is already running. Port. Terminal. So let's just go to bash ng serve pool 0. You want to install the recommended Docker extension from Microsoft for the Docker language. Okay. Okay, so it's now trying to start. Alright. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Hello. Alright, so yeah, this is still generating. It will just open up in a new browser, but this is still generating browser application bundles, so the browser that was just launched will not have a running application. Every day is a new day. Thankful for every breath I take. Alright, so it's now running. So let's. Oh, it's now running. So we have successfully run that inside a Docker. Oh no, inside a dev container. And kaboom. So if we go and where is that layout? Header works, sidebar works. I'm not sure where that layout is. Is it the facade? Facade works. No, I think it's not the facade. I believe that should be the main. Okay, the main here. Let's try to add a h1 dev container is working. Bye bye. So that should trigger a. Oh no, it did not trigger a build. So it should be 2000. One big tap of water fell from the sky. Everything started to cry. I didn't notice her by the window, and every people were drowning. Toot. Alright. Down. Is it working? Down. I've never been a part of me. I know you finally. Save me. Alright, so it completed, and yeah, there you go. So let's try to change it again. Let's add a hash. Hash. Is it gonna trigger? Oh, now it's triggering a build. And let's see here if it has a hash. Okay. So that's it. Yeah, so here we installed. Alright, so I believe that is good for now. But yeah, we'll have to change here also. We're going to add in our dev containers this peacock, this snippet, this what's this, winter is coming theme, language service, what else, I think that'd be fine. Or maybe this one. Okay, so and now it should ask us to rebuild because it's detecting here some extension. Nope, didn't ask us for a rebuild. So yeah, that's it for now, and we have now the version that we need, the Angular latest. That is the same version, the latest here with what we have here. Alright, so that's it. Thanks. Bye bye. Dev containers and Angular. Bye bye.